How to increase show up rate in your webinar. So this is the biggest problem that I have noticed for all the coaches and course creators who are selling through webinar, workshop models or masterclass model. And when it comes to showing up webinar, this is very less. Sometimes it goes less than 10%. But something that I've achieved, it's more than 80% because of the few tweaks, the few nurturing system that I've implemented for my business. Would you like to know more? Okay, before we go further, so can you just subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not subscribed yet, because you are going to get massive value in this YouTube channels. And so let's get started. The first thing that you need to work on is your email nurturing system. The moment they join the webinar, they sign up the webinar, first in the first landing page, make sure you design your landing page in such a way that maximum people can turn up from there itself. So how you design your landing page, that is the most important thing. So once you set up your email nurturing system from right there, that's how they will turn up. At the same time, whenever you are preparing your landing page, make sure in the thank you page you connect with WhatsApp. I'll talk about WhatsApp the next step, but let's talk about email marketing. The moment they sign up, first they should get all the information like which group to join, when is your workshop date, timing, everything. And also you can give call to action there that make sure you book your calendar on this particular date. So that is going to help them to book their calendar right from there, so that they will not forget. They will right away block their calendar, and the calendar will give them reminder. And also you can also add the calendar reminder link by pulling out from your Google Calendar. That will also help you directly clicking from there, and they will directly go to their calendar and they will automatically add their event from there. Even suppose you can also do one simple automation where you make your registrations, those who are registering through your email, they can also auto register to Zoom account, which can happen only through Zapier or Pabbly, whatever automations or Zap tool that you are using. So what will happen is they will get automatic registrations confirmation from Zoom. Now once they will get confirmations from Zoom mail, in that mail they have an option to add to the calendar. So what will happen is it will automatically get added to their calendar. Okay, so that is the first thing they need to work on in the first mail. Then after 1 hour you can also send like who are you, because sometimes people don't know about you. Because what happens is it is not something that people buy the product, people buy person who sells the product. So people will buy you first before they buy your product. So how you position yourself as an expert, why you are teaching this. So you talk about your story, why you are starting it, who are you. So for the next 1 or 2 email, talk about who are you, why you are doing it. Also in the same 2-3 days email sequence, that what you can create, that can actually help them to nurture that who are you and what you are stand for. Also you can send an email about case study of the students that have implemented that your system and got results. So make sure you schedule in an email nurturing system from the day they sign up from the webinar till the time they actually join the webinar. And specifically you can start giving them reminder 2 days to go, 1 day to go. And also webinar date, that day you must send at least 5 to 7 reminder. Don't worry, they will not get irritated, because what happens is they have signed up for to solve their problem. So I would hardly get one unsubscriber out of 10,000 emails or something. So it's very rare that they will unsubscribe, but don't worry about it, because you are care for them. If you are following up with them, it shows that you care for their growth. So put their reminder. Okay, that is the email system. The second step is, as I mentioned about WhatsApp, if you put WhatsApp group link in the thank you page, the conversion rate from signing up from email to WhatsApp group additions would be more, because some of the times people send WhatsApp group in the email. So when it comes to email open rate, even if it is a paid thing, it's hardly 30% or 40%, or sometimes it goes less than 20% also. So what you will do, if 20% open, how many people actually join your group? So make sure you give your WhatsApp group link at the thank you page. So WhatsApp group nurturing, why WhatsApp group? Because WhatsApp has the highest open rate, because people use WhatsApp more than email. So they open very frequently for their family talks or some friends talk, whatever it is. So make sure you use WhatsApp group nurturing system for your webinar. So I also create a poll inside the group that how many of you are committed to attend this webinar live, and people answer the poll. So I keep nurturing them in that group. The same sequence I follow in the email I can put there also. I can put a voice note, I can put up a short video like 30-40 second of video to nurture them that okay, coming. So every single day you need to nurture inside the group so that they will, okay, there is something big is coming, something big is coming. So keep on nurturing in the WhatsApp group. That is how you will able to get more show up rate in the, because once they will fit into in the mind, will not forget that they have to attend it. So what happens is free webinar or free workshop, people take it for granted. Even if you give a lot of value, all people take it for granted. So that's why they forget about it. So after 2 to 3 days, they completely forget about this event. Is there something they have registered for it? But yes, when you charge, they pay attention and they actually block their time and they take it a little bit seriously. So that's why WhatsApp nurturing is a very powerful thing. Another thing if you can do is you can take WhatsApp API where you can directly message them in a personal message in WhatsApp. So that will also increase more show rate because you are personally messaging them with a blue tick. If you can get that number, WhatsApp API number, that would be super crazy. I think there are tools called Wati, AICNC. These are the two tools that I know who are actually providing these services. Use WhatsApp. That will actually change your game for sure, because the more people will turn up to your webinar, the more people can actually attend your session. They can see your offer. The more people can convert to your paid program. Third step I do is making them join live by giving bonuses. I say that you will get these bonuses only when you join live. So sometimes people ask me recording. I say there's no recording, no replay. You have to attend live to get the best value out of it. So what happens, just because of those bonuses, they literally join and they literally attend till the end. And I share those bonuses after my offer. So what happens is people actually see my offer. So this is the one quick hack that helped me a lot. Many of you notice that I don't give actually the replay or recording. I just ask, okay, if you want to attend my webinar, attend it live. That's how you need to make them committed, and so that you will attract achievers, you will attract action takers, not just like someone who's just window shopping. Okay, cool. A bonus tip I would like to give it to you, something that if you can implement IVR. I have not implemented, but I've seen people who are implementing IVR system. So the automated voice call, maybe you can record 20-30 seconds and automated voice call reminder will go maybe before 10 minutes, before 30 minutes to remind them, okay, we have you have a webinar in 30 minutes, like in your voice, like they will feel like you are calling them. So IVR call is something that can help you. I hope you got value from this. If you got value, let me in the chat box what is the one big aha moment that you got learned from this. And if you have any other ideas, please do share in the comment. I would love to learn from you, because it is not about just giving. I wanted to learn from you also. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you have subscribed to this particular channel and you will get massive value. And check out my link below where I'll be sharing my live workshops. You can attend my live workshop and learn more about organic marketing, traffic, sales and marketing, and how you can sell your courses through online without paid ads. The strategy I talk about. So yes, see you live and take care.